What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to get your 2021 Chevy Tahoe started if your smart key dies. Whether that be a dead battery with your smart key or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your vehicle started. Like I said, this is a 21 Tahoe here, but it will be the same procedure on a few different models. So I've taken the battery out of this key to demonstrate. If I press the buttons, as you can see, none of them are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key fob, no key found, try again. So what we need to do is place the key fob in the left cup holder, the cup holder closer to the driver's side, like that. And then we should be able to start it as normal. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.